I mean, it's tough. Every time I see a video, I'm then my opinion seems to change. I mean, I've recently been watching and spent some time with the videographer out of Long Island. I mean, he has orbs, these glowing orbs of light on camera that as you watch them right before your eyes, they seem to transform into a mechanical drone. So I've actually watched it myself where these orbs are glowing balls of light, different blinking lights all over the place. And as it gets closer to you, you actually see it transform into a drone. Whether it's a drone from the beginning and it's being obstructed by bright light, I can't tell you, but it is cause for concern.
Unexplained Cases is supported by Carrie Nyan and Cullen Therapies.
On Tuesday, at a press briefing at the White House, President Trump released a statement through Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt that the drones seen in New Jersey were authorized to fly by the FAA for research and various other reasons. But she did not elaborate about what that research is.
After research and study, the drones that were flying over New Jersey in large numbers were authorized to be flown by the FAA for research and various other reasons. Many of these drones were also hobbyists, recreational, and private individuals that enjoy flying drones. In time, it got worse due to curiosity. This was not the enemy.
On social media, the majority of people are saying they don't believe it.
It's like it's blinking. There's a green light on the left side of it. That's the drone.
Another night in Edmonds and another round of drones circling the town north of Seattle. This time I pulled out my phone and videoed multiple drones making a big loop around my home. With blinking lights of all colors, the drones moved slowly across the sky but much lower Sunday evening. It continued over Puget Sound, a single orb slowly falling in the sky with drones flying around it.
Look how slow it's going. Dude, I never saw that. Literally, that came out of nowhere.
Now, I'm not sure my neighbors could tell, but these things were literally going right over us. But I was the only one crazy enough to be on the balcony filming out there when it's 36 degrees. Down at the ferry dock in Edmonds, an up-close look at that orb and the drones flying around the sound. You are seeing the solid orb above the fishing pier. This is the one that shows up nightly. It was changing form, glowing, really radiating. Then it was here comes the drones. They are big. They've got blinking lights. Sometimes they're loud, other times they're quiet. The crazy thing is the drones just kind of pop up out of nowhere over the water and start flying around. I would say we saw 3 different types of drones, different sizes and light patterns for each of them. They flew around for at least 2.5 hours. As it always does, it ends nightly when that main orb over the sound just slowly fades away at 9 p.m., almost clockwork, and then it's gone, right on time, and that means no more drones. For Unexplained Cases, I'm Darren Dito.